Okay, here we are entering into a very messy area. Right now they're starting the taping process, after which we will be able to have them texture it. They're going to spray texture, and then I will get to paint it all. This is the next room over. This is Aubrey's room, and this is what they've done so far. We only had to do the closet in here. Then here we're going down the next hall to the other two rooms and the other bathroom. Remember, this used to be a kitchen, and it used to be a family room where these next two rooms are coming up. This one's Levi's room. Got a lot of their tools still left in here, but you know, that's the way it is. Hopefully I'm not making you sick through all these turnarounds. This is going to be Justin's room. The next room up here. Oh, hi Hank, how are you? He's always my tail, so he goes wherever I go. And again, the lovely hallway heading down to where we're going to build the stairs. They are not yet here, but there is a hole now. And we're gonna head outside now, and I'm gonna take you downstairs. This right here is gonna be my next project. I gotta sand and restain this whole deck. I'm thinking of taking out all of these white posts, all the white little boards right there, one by one, sanding them all one by one, and then staining them. That way they look nice. I didn't wanna have to deal with sanding in between all those crevices. That would have been annoying. Let's face it, it's going to be a pain in my butt either way. And here is a view of where my greenhouse is going to go, do all my gardening. And right over here we're going to put cement so it's cemented. And then we're going to take out these stairs. We took out this side door over here already. We also took out the original garage doors and added a new front door. Also added a new front window. Up top up here we took out the original front door. We're going to take out the lattice as well and get rid of all that. We're gonna have it just be your basic front door covering. We also went on an excursion, found a cave. And back down the hall, they just now textured everything, so I'm gonna give you a little look at that. It looks all nice and ready to go. Ready for me to finally paint. I can't wait. And then let me go show you downstairs. We are not going down there this way. Yes, those are the stairs, but they're not quite ready, and I am not stepping on that. That is too scary. Here is the master room. Right now, currently, is the tool room. Right over here, we got the master closet. And we're gonna keep that back door, but we're also gonna add another door right there for the bathroom. Got to take out this door. This is currently my bathroom, laundry room, and this is where my stove is, where I cook as well. Fun. So much fun. You gotta do what you gotta do. So coming out the master bedroom door, we have the pantry, which is an open concept door. That's gonna be the new laundry room door. And we do have to patch up that hole now. It was in the back of my husband's truck. Got a new window. That's going to be a corner sink. All along this wall, though, is going to be the whole cabinets. And my dining room table will go right there somewhere in the center. Got the hiccups now all of a sudden. And here's another open concept closet, but where else are you going to kick your shoes off? You're not going to kick them off in my kitchen. That's for sure. This is the living room. And that is pretty much it. Kitchen and living room right here all together. And I already picked out my cabinets. They just got measured and remeasured out here to make sure it's all good and that our measurements were correct. And yeah, I can't wait to show you those. But first we gotta tape. And my floors came in. Okay, on to taping, and I'm gonna use this kind that already has the tape on the plastic. I'm just annoyed that I even have to retape this whole thing because, you know, they took off the tape. I gotta redo it. You know how long that took? An hour, and I didn't have that kind. I had to tape the plastic myself. It was very hard. It was such a struggle. Anyways, the new floor I was telling you about, coming in hot. We have to unload all these though off the pallets by hand and stack them all up, and here's what that looks like. That was real fun. We actually had the girls come help us because it was a lot to do. 2 pallets worth, but here's the beautiful floor and what it will look like. Tape all my windows. It has a little slicer. You don't need the scissors. Okay, this is gonna be a lot less dreadful. Okay, hurry up, let's get started. You're full on. I'll spare you from having to watch the rest of the windows. This one room only took about an hour. Lovely tub that I now have to tape before and after. Here we go. My goggles, so I'm gonna be wearing my breast cancer awareness ones. Also, hair's out of the way. Have to take off my boots. Alrighty, and my husband's gonna help me figure out how to work this little machine gun thing. It'll be great. It looks easy. I could do that. Go way out. It's about the same amount of time, arm pain, as it is rolling it on. And it's super hot in here. Now I'm sweating. It took me all day, but I did finish all of upstairs. It was insane. And pretty easy to do. Oh, and it snowed. Look at all the fun snow. You guys saw how Levi's room looked before. This is now how it looks now. And Aubrey was the only one that wanted a colorful room, so hers is purple. Time to wash these quads so we can sell them. We do a lot around here, not just painting and doing this house excursion. A lot of times we go on these rides with quads. Levi really wanted to do a video of him washing, and the whole time I'm like, are you sure you don't want me to help? Do you want me to help? He's like, no, I got this. I got this. I want to do it all. So this is him cleaning it all up. He's ready. He wants to sell these. He'll tell you why toward the end. Stay tuned. Looking at my truck, looks like I need to do it next. Proud of him though, he's killing it, man. He's doing such a good job. He did end up needing a little bit of help toward the end, but no big deal. He did a lot. He's doing great. Girls can ride it too.
But
start with one and then get another one next year.
And then get another one next year.
Yeah.
That's why we're selling our quads for razors. Like and subscribe for this video. If you if you don't, this is I will tear up. Bye.